Hello kids, previously I discussed about prepositions with you. So prepositions show us the place where the noun, the position of the noun. So I had sent you a video on prepositions, just see that and try to answer. Really I think that you will answer them very easily just by seeing the pictures which were given to you in the worksheet in IEO book. Okay, now let us start seeing the pictures and answering the questions. If you see the first example, Toby is dash the cupboard. Where it is? Is it on the cupboard, in, near, or under? So on means means on it, above it. In, so in, inside. Nearby, sitting near. Under means you know the answers. You had seen many pictures. Now if you see a key dash a lock, where is the key? Is it in, on, among, or under? So children, among means, see, between, if someone is sitting between two members, three members are sitting in a bench, the middle one is called sitting between. But if 10 members are there and you are sitting in between 10 members, then we can say among. He is sitting among his friends. So there is a difference between and among. So according to what is given there, by seeing the picture you can write the cup is dash the table. Where is the cup? In the same way you can complete your third, fourth and fifth also. Check the picture properly where the things are according to their position. You want to tell the answer. Now see the sixth one. The children are playing dash the park. Where they are playing? The policeman is dash the car. So where is he standing? So according to the position, you want to write it. Now 8th, 9th and 10th, we can see the pictures. Basing on the pictures, you can complete the answers just by observing the pictures till 10th one. Now if you see the B bit, we can say choose the part of the sentence that has an error. Means while using the preposition, we want to use correct preposition. If we doesn't use correct preposition, we can say the sentence is wrong. Now see the sentence properly. First one I will just explain you. Ratan is going at Delhi tomorrow. Can we say Ratan is going at Delhi tomorrow? Can we say I am going at Khammam tomorrow? What do you use the sentence there? So normally we say I am going to Khammam tomorrow or I am going to Delhi tomorrow. So here which one is wrong? See, A, Ratan is, it is correct. Going at. So at we must not use. So going to we want to use. So B is the wrong option. In the same way, you want to check the other four questions and you want to find in which the mistake is there. See, my pet Chiku is hiding in the sofa. So check the sentence properly where it is hiding. How the sofa will be. Basing on that, you can find the answer. Ravi distributed the sweets between his friends. So friends many will be there. So which is the wrong answer? Madan is sitting quietly into the chair. So where is Madan sitting? He is sitting quietly into the chair. Now find the mistake, children. A boat sails under the sea. So is it really correct? So if it is not correct, find the correct option. No need of finding, but you find only the wrong word which is used. So in which option you have that wrong word, you can tick that option. So complete 11 to 15. Now if you check the achiever section, fill in the blanks with correct preposition. So try to remember the word preposition. Preposition. So how the position is there, then you can tick correct answer in your exam if you remember the word. Now 16th one. Sumit and Suman are fighting dash each other. There are only two members. So how do we use? Which one we use? Just write the correct answer. The bag was kept dash the corner. When we are saying something about the corner, what do we use? Normally, if we use the sentences, when we speak, how do we use? You think and you can answer. My school is dash the church. So what options? So you read the options. If you read the options, you can exactly get the answer. Okay. Now coming to the next one, choose the part of the sentence that has an error. Now read the sentence carefully and try to find the error. Just by reading, you read twice, thrice, then you can understand whether we can use it like this or not. Then you can find the error easily. Okay.